You can see that this person has earned exactly $200, and this money was made just by playing this game. In fact, this user joined the platform only 2 months ago and now earns about $800 per month from it. Thousands of people are making money this way while having fun. So let's take a closer look at how you too can earn money online while enjoying yourself. In this video, you'll learn how to start earning money today simply by playing games, and even how to withdraw your earnings to your wallet within minutes. The game we'll be using is Rise of Kingdoms, a world-famous game with over 500 million downloads, available on both mobile and desktop. However, if you just download it from the Play Store and play for hours or even days, you'll earn zero money. Yes, you'll have fun, but it won't bring you any income. Now, here's the secret to having fun and earning money at the same time. To be on the winning side starting today, you need to follow the steps exactly as shown. First, click the link in the description of this video to sign up and log in to the platform. Once you're in, you'll see many different ways to make money. This platform actually offers several earning methods. We've explained them in previous videos, so you can check those later. Next, click on Gaming Offers after that View All. In the search box, type Rise of Kingdoms. When the game appears, click on it to open the offer. Then, click Play and Earn, and simply follow the site's instructions to start earning through this game. The more you play and level up as required, the more money you'll make. Now, let's talk about how to withdraw your earnings. The platform offers many payment methods. You can easily withdraw your money by entering your wallet address in the crypto section. Your earnings are transferred to your account very quickly. These are not monthly earnings. They are daily earnings from real users. As you can see, people are making hundreds of dollars per day. And here you can see the monthly earnings, thousands of dollars every month. These results are absolutely realistic, not a dream. You're seeing the daily winners yourself. So don't wait. Click the link in the description, sign up now, and start earning money by playing games while having fun. And remember, this game isn't the only way to earn here. The platform is full of hundreds of games, surveys, and surprises waiting for you. There are thousands of dollars ready to be won, so don't waste another minute. Join the winners and start earning today. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more real ways to earn money online, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Join our growing community. Take the first step today and let's start building your online income together.